Hey guys, so today I have a first look at a condenser microphone. This is a really inexpensive, just entry-level microphone that you can get for your desk. So this is something you can buy on Amazon for about $17. As usual, I put the link in the description so you guys can check it out for yourselves. But this is just going to be a first look and unboxing video, first impressions, so it's not a full review just yet. So first off, we're greedy with the literature, product details. It's really a simple device. It's plug and play, no driver is necessary. And you can see that the microphone already comes with a little bit of a wind guard as well. Double checking if there's anything else in the box, and nope, that's it. Basically, you just get this microphone with the attached USB wire that you just plug into your computer, and it's a nice good length. I would say it's probably about 3 feet long. On the bottom there are 4 little nubs to help with grip on a smooth surface. You can see it's a very short gooseneck, so you can help pivot wherever you need to, and there's a button for on off, and as well as an LED light right above that. So there you have it. It looks like the gooseneck is pretty secure. It stays firm in whatever angle I position it, which is definitely a good thing. The windscreen is very easily detachable. You can see the mic right there, the condenser mic. And now let's just go ahead and do a very quick sound test. Okay, so now I've got my mic plugged in and it's also switched on with a little button here. The indicator is now a steady green, which means it is ready to record. It is called LCS, USB audio device, and unfortunately it only records mono and not stereo, so this is definitely something that's really mainly to use for voice. Maybe use this for Skype calls or something like that, not for instrumentals and not really for professional recording. So you can get a gauge of the sound quality versus before, which was I was talking through my Blue Yeti microphone, which costs around $100 and sometimes even more dollars on Amazon. So this is just a really quick sound test, not a review, but just to give you guys an idea of what this could potentially sound like. So that concludes this first look. As usual, I'll put the link in the description if you guys are interested, and if you guys want to see a full review of this product, let me know in the comment section down below. Otherwise, make sure you subscribe so you can see more product videos like this. Thanks for watching.